flying to France? Or you're saying automatic?
You know, we gotta win the game. You know, we lost a lot, 6 games in a row now. We have to win the game. So you know, whatever we have to do, whoever has to score, or you know, if we have to win by 1, whatever, we just have to win the game.
Now you said you have a row of 6 losses, so are you disappointed? And it's logical.
Yeah, obviously disappointed. You know, the whole team's disappointed, from the coaching staff to players. Everybody's disappointed. You know, it's a lot of games we could have won. You know, we were right there, and we just didn't win. So it's you know, it's very disappointing. You know, we're still at it. We're still working hard. We just got to figure it out. Play harder, play as a team. As soon as we start doing that, we'll win a game. You know, it's not going to take one person. It's going to take all of us. You know, it's a team effort. So if we do that in France, I think we'll have a very good chance of winning.
In last minutes, what do you think which player who should decide, who should shoot?
It's tough. I think with this team, it's tough. I think it's different every game. You know, I think depending on how the other team's playing, you know, who has it going that day, who's scoring, who's doing well. I think it changes every single game. You know, with this team, it's not one person that's scoring 15, 20 points a game. Everybody has a good game every other game. So it really depends on the game.
How do you feel in Ljubljana?
It's a great city, you know. People are very nice. Obviously, the fans are great. You know, it's been great. The city's been nice so far. You know, the basketball in the last couple of weeks hasn't been so great, but you know, my overall experience so far has been great.